All right, you guys. So today I bring you these 4-pack. Look, they come. Look at this. These are their sticks. 4 in this pack. So you could choose. If you see here, this part right here, you could choose to put them on the ground or up on the wall. So it does come with the screws for them to go on your wall, so you don't have to have them on the ground. Here you see off, mode 1, next mode, and it gives you instructions of how to power them on right here. So look how bright it looks. Beautiful. And then when the light is hitting it, of course, it's there. So let's get these ready to go. Here's your little stick, and you see at the bottom they have this, and then you have your picks. All right, so I have all my lights here. You see I put my solar, there we go. I put the little stick on them. I'm not gonna do this one yet because I prefer to put this one on the ground and then I'll put the other stuff. That way I don't push on my light when I'm putting them on the ground.
That's beautiful, babe.
Okay, let's see.
Can you please watch out so I can get through?
So this is a light here. So these are my other lights, my older lights, my old lights, and look at the new one. You see, the new one has a white light on it. The other ones have yellowed. All right, we did this one. This one's on already. It's very tall. All right, so we put this one and that one there. And then I had these old ones. So we're gonna be replacing all of our lights with these. Okay, we put those. Let's see if you could tell which ones are the new ones. Let me turn this one on. So you go to the back of the button. And there we go. Look at those.